everybody. It's Exquisite Blackrose. In today's video, as you can tell by the title, we're going to be doing something a little different. So this is my 2-year-old. Her name is Lola. Say hi. Wave. Say hi. Wave, girl. We were supposed to do this video early in the day when we was looking better, but we had a lot of things to do today, so that didn't happen. So it's like almost 7 o'clock and we're just doing this video, so you have to excuse us. We just wanted to do a video and have a little fun. Okay, so I'm gonna be letting Lola, wave mama, wave. I'm gonna be letting Lola do my makeup. I know you guys are saying, what in the hell? Yes, I'm gonna let her do my makeup. Lola doesn't talk much, but she has impeccable understanding. Okay, so I'm hoping that we can get through this video and have a good time doing it. So are you ready, Lola?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so I'm not going to even worry about doing anything to my eyebrows. I don't think it even matters. What we're going to do first, okay, she's starting already. So Lola, what we're going to do first is Lola. Hold it. We're going to use this palette, box of crayons by Crayon Case. Okay, mama? Take this one. What look do we want to go with? Which one do you think? The gold? Oh, she picked the gold. Okay, so put it on there. See? All right. Look. You're going to put it here on mommy. No, not on your face. Look at mommy. Put it here. Look. Let me show you what you're going to do. You see? Put it here like this. Can you do that? Oh, yeah. That's how you do it. Oh, on the eye. On the eye. Okay. Ooh, it's pretty. Look what you did. Okay, now do my other eye. Do this eye. Oh, it's going to be so pretty. On the eye right here. Yeah. There you go. Put it all there. Oh, you're doing such a good job. Oh, boy. Come on. Oh, how does it look? You like that? Is it pretty? Oh, boy. Okay, so now we're going with pink. Okay, she's dipping into pink and the magenta. Now, look, you're going to put it right here. Let me show you. Let me show you. Look, right here. You see? All right, go ahead. Oh, on the eye. On the eye. Oh, thank you. Oh, that's coming out beautiful. Okay, now do this eye for mommy right here. How does it look? Oh, look at mommy. Next, we're going to take this one. What color should we use next, mama? Red? I don't think I want to use red. Let's go for yellow. Look, yellow. See yellow? Okay, now put it right here. See right there?
Yeah.
Yeah, can you do that for mommy? Okay, here you go. Right here. Right there. Yeah. Oh. Right here. Right there, you see? Now put some there. Oh, yes, right in the corner. That's right. Okay, all right, let me see. Oh, that's beautiful. Thank you. No, not white. Oh, boy. Okay, what's the last color we're going to use is the white, okay? Okay, now, where you want to put the white on mommy? Put it right there for mommy. Right there. Oh, that's so pretty. Ouch, ouch. Oh, that's so, oh, okay. Now put, oh, my God. Look, put some there. Right there. Oh, that's going to be so pretty. Thank you. You want to do mommy's foundation?
Yeah.
Okay, show the camera. Let me show you how you do it. Look, hold it like this and show. Like that. See? So let me show you what you're going to do. Okay, mommy, go put some there. You see? And I'm going to go like this. Look. You see? Can you do that?
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead. Oh, it's so pretty. Let me help you. See? Look what you did. You like that? Now put some here. Now put some on this side. Wait, we're not finished. Let mommy help you a little bit. Oh no, don't put that on your face. Ooh. Look. Can you do that for mommy like this? You want to squirt some on mommy's face? Here, put some right here. Oh, okay, did you do it? Oh, you did. Okay, press it again. Oh, big girl. Now take the brush and blend it. Yes. Oh my goodness. You are an artist. Come on. Oh yeah. You see? You see you? No, you have to look. You can't look away. You can't look away while you're doing my makeup, lady. Here, put it here. Now put some at my forehead, right here. Let me put some on there. Oh. Oh. Oh, you're doing a good job, Mama. You're doing a good job. Let me help you. So you put red and white and gold on mommy? You like that? Here, you want to do some more? Look, put a little on mommy's nose. Put some on mommy's nose. On my nose. Oh, put some more. All right, good job. Now, take the brush and blend it. Yes. Blend it. Oh, yeah. I think that was my eyeball, Lola. Let me help you. Look. Oh, so pretty. Oh, you're a big girl. High five. Yeah. You want to do blush next?
Yeah.
Blush. What color blush you want to do? So we're going in with our Wash Me Blush palette. You see? All right. Which color? Which color? Point. Which one you want? Okay. That's the brush you're going to use. Show them which one you want.
Oh.
You want that one. Okay, that's a good choice. That color is called Cocoa. So we're going to take it like this. And look. Uh-oh. You okay? Excuse me, guys. Lola has a little cold. So look, you're going to put on mommy's cheek right there. Yeah. Oh, yes. Right here. Thank you. Oh, girl, look at that, Lola. Look at that. Look how shiny and pretty. Okay, let's do it one more time on the other side. So we're going to get some more cappuccino. Here you go, Mama. Now do this cheek. Oh, thank you. Oh, go like this. Look, go like that. Come on. Oh, boy. Okay. Oh, wait, right here. Thank you. Oh, my goodness. Would you look at that? Okay, so you did my foundation. You did mommy's eyeshadow. Now what else do we want to do? Yay. Oh, concealer. So show the camera. Oh, thank you. Okay, so mommy's going to show you what to do. Look. 1, 2, 3. Now here, you do that. Do you see that? Do that here. 1, 2, 3. Yes! Yay, you did it! Okay, so you're going to take it like that. You see? You see that?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're going to do that. All right, now you do it. Finish it for mommy. Yes. So like that. No, look at my... Lady, look at my face while you're doing it. Yes. Oh, girl, that highlight is everything. Now do this side for mommy. Yeah, just like that. Pat it. Come on. Yeah, girl, you are an original. Okay? Yes, pat it. I'm gonna look like I've been crying. Okay, so look. She just want to do the foundation. You're a natural. You are a natural. Oh my goodness, look at mommy. Let me just blend it a little bit. Oh, that's beautiful. More blush? No, blush goes on the cheeks, honey. Honey, on the cheeks. Cheeks. Can mommy do yours? You want mommy to do your face now? Okay, let's do your face. So what color do you want? Point to a color. Show me a color. You want blue? Okay, let's do blue. Let me see. Look. Close your eye. Close it. Oh, honey, you're so pretty. Close your eye. Close it. You don't trust me? I don't think she trusts me. Close your eye. Oh, my goodness. Look how pretty. You want something on your cheeks?
Yeah.
Okay, which one do you want on your cheeks?
Cheeks.
Yes, cheeks. Which one? Point.
Oh.
Red? You love red, huh? That's the second time she picked red. Okay, so now look. I'm going to put on your cheeks. Oh, that's so pretty. Let me see the side. Oh, Lola. You're gorgeous. Oh, let me see the side again. Oh, look at that baby. Mommy could have did better than that. But, oh, look. Just kind of get a little bit of that off, Lola. You look like a little clown. Let's see. You're going to blend it in. Oh, girl, see cheese. You want to do some lipstick now? No, not with that. You want lipstick?
Yeah.
You want to put some lipstick on? Say yes. Yay. Okay, so what color lipstick do you want to put on? We have this one. You guys, this is all my lipsticks. Like, I have a ton. So which one do you want to do? You want to do this one?
Three.
No, that's too much. This one. Yeah, let's do one of those three. Which one you want to do?
Wow.
You want this one? You picked the right one. This is the crayon case. Show the camera. Show the camera. Go like that. Yes. You going to put this on mommy or you want this on you?
Yeah.
You want to put it on me?
Yeah.
Okay, do you know how to do it?
Yeah.
All right. Lips. It goes on my lip. No, it goes on mommy lips. Look. That is very bright. You like that? Let mommy put some on you. Let me see. Oh, that's so beautiful. Rub your lips together. Let me see that baby. Oh, she's so pretty. Oh, you look pretty, mama. You like mommy makeup?
Yeah.
You do? Do you like yours? Your mommy kiss. Mwah. Thank you. So look at how pretty you are. Look, Lola.
What?
Oh, you want a purple too?
Yeah.
You want purple? Yes. Okay. Put it on mommy lips. Okay. Oh. You on your lips too? Let me see. Open your mouth. You gotta do this. Do this. Oh. Let's see. Do this. Mwah. Mwah. Oh, you did such a good job. Yay! You did such an awesome job. Oh, you're so pretty. Guys, I like how Lola, like, if she would have did this eye, if she would have did this eye like this eye, oh my goodness, it would have been like perfect. Do y'all see what my baby did there? She did the complete opposite here, but she's trying, but she looks so cute. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
You did? Okay, you know, 2-year-olds attention span is short, so she's ready to get up now. But I'm glad we did this video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed our video. Say bye-bye. Thank you for watching, and we hope you come back to see this channel, my lovely channel. And I hope you enjoyed this video with my 2-year-old. Blow kisses. Bye.